in the Vandana Kataria Indoor Stadium here in
मैच ऑफिशियल सभी कोई और युवा योद्धा की टीम हमें करामात करे। जी हाँ नवीन, आपका फिर से एक बार स्वागत।
Both are standing on the midline, and it will be Shivam Singh as I expected. Yeah, it should be your top raider for the first trade, Navneet. It's always there, and the bonus attempt. I think he's got multiple points. First up, bonus, yes, and it's a super raid. Bonus plus two. Wow, that's awesome. And the defense of the Cubs have started to flutter and also stutter. Oh my God, Dipanshu Khatri and Sahil, both of them. First, the bonus was attempted in a flash. And yes, it was Dipanshu Khatri going in for the ankle hold. And then you had that cover of Sahil Deshwal, the left cover captain, also on the way. Return gift to Shivam Singh. Very, very serious action on this.
क्योंकि ट्राउजर पुल होता है तो आपके पास मौका नहीं रहता है वापस जाने का, बहुत दिक्कत हो जाता है। अगर आप बॉडी को पुल करोगे देयर इज अ चांस, एंड यहाँ पे केशव कुमार आपके पास कोई नहीं चांस रहेगा। जयपुर पिंकअप्स को मिला है एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट।
And of course, there is one more player who will, come to the scene. Blast into the scene, but there Ravi Bhate, he stopped Sahil Satpal. He was running towards that right corner. And look at that negative angle. Look at this. He was not in a proper shape at all, was Ravi Bhati, isn't it? And then he turned and twisted. A very harsh decision on Sonu Rati. But let's also figure out what can now the Yodhas do. There is Gangaram Jwalaram. I call him Jwalaram because he's a volcano on the kabaddi mat. He can raid, he can defend, he can do everything. Double ankle hold, and Jwalaram comes in for the support. That's why he's there. Sachin Singh with the double ankle hold, very dangerous, so close to the midline, but the Jwalaram effect. Wonderful raider. What has he got in the last 10 minutes? There you see, 62%. That's good. So the team loses out. 89%, 83%, and a quick ankle hold. Dipanshu Khatri says, we will equalize, and we will send Shivam Singh back on the bench for the first time in this match.
जी और मुझे नवीन आपकी वो थ्योरी याद आ गई। इसमें कहते हैं कि एक
Okay, because the raider has got the points, couple of points. The Dora raid, second one for the Cubs. First one, Sonu Rati was unlucky. He was given out. And now Anil Sel gets 2 points. Ravi Bhati.
Bonus plus 2
And
points.
it's a super raid. Bonus plus 2. Fabulous is Anil Singh. Anil Singh with an ankle hold attempt and then moves out.
Don't show signal before decision. Please control.
Perfect, perfect, Akshay Desai. I like what you did. You pulled out the card and I paused, Akshay Desai, for your audio to be heard. That's a strong verbal warning and a strong escape, of course, from Anil Singh.
And absolutely, communication is the key. आप अपनी बातों को कैसे रखते हैं ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, लेकिन यहाँ पर पकड़ को जकड़ को रख नहीं पाए और अनिल गिलहरी की तरह वहां निकल।
The substitution should have been coming in. Why did Naman Singh go back? Oh, this is a confusion. Naman Singh had come out and Ravi Bhati has gone into the lobby. That's it. It's an all-out. What a blunder. What a big, big blunder here by the Yuva Yodhas. It shouldn't have been an all-out. Come on. I just don't believe this. Naman Singh had got up. He had come into the substitution place. And Shivam Singh exactly. Yeah, और मुश्किल शिवम सिंह को पकड़ना भी है. That's what Dipanshu Khatri has realized. He should have a proper timing. Like that! Like that! It's a battle that is going on and on and on. Dipanshu Khatri is targeting Shivam Singh.
1 point.
The right corner against the left raider. And what is the head-to-head in this match is what we want to know. I think 1 bonus and 1 touch point for Shivam Singh. That much I remember. India won star moment of the match definitely for Dipanshu Khatri because it's the big raider who's gone out. But I think at the right time. Oh, Dipanshu Khatri, you have done a Surender Nada. Where is Mohit Chiller? He will come in. Mohit Chiller will come in. He's done a Surender Nada. Every time Surender Nada does this, he does not count the raids. He walks in,
Raider out.
then gets
1
flummoxed.
point. Yuva Yodhas.
It's a do or die raid. He should have understood this one. Shivam Singh will be really.
जब ऑफ सीजन होता है तो वो डिक्शनरी पढ़ते हैं, नए नए शब्द लाते हैं और पिछले 2 सीजन से वो फ्लमॉक्स को यूज कर रहे हैं। ये जो अभी ब्रेक हुआ था इसमें आपने क्या नए शब्द सीखे नवीन?
Yeah, Flamox is something where what Dipanshu Khatri did. It is the higher level of confusion. Dash, I think, is it. Akshay Desai was,
Review unsuccessful. Raider out 1 point.
the Kachori
Yuva
has
Yodhas.
reached the TV
Jaipur
umpire.
Cubs, your
That's
review
nice.
is over, no more reviews.
He agrees with me, and no more review for the Cubs. Wrong time to take a review because that was the last raid, Navneet.
Half
And
time,
Jaipur Pink
change the
Cubs
board.
will start the second half in the first raid. Come on. What do we talk about this? Right corner. So 21 apiece. And this is going to be nice as the East Trip super tackle that's coming in. But forget the raid points, forget the tackle points. I want to see how many overall points in the second half for both the teams as the East Trip super tackle has been attempted against Shivam Singh. This
Raider
is
out.
good. Sahil
Super
Deshwal
tackle.
will be really
2
happy.
points.
And look who's
Jaipur
coming,
Pink Cubs.
Ronak Chaudhary. Yeah, he's that do or Sahil Deshwal has told everything that has to be done. But I will say what? Don't go near Sonu Rati. Don't even attempt a bonus point. See, Sonu Rati and Ravi Bhati are talking in their eyes. They're discussing. They've given a direction and Ravi Bhati comes in for the block. That was the discussion. Sonu
Raider out.
Rati said
1 point.
in his
Yuva
eyes,
Yodhas.
don't go back.
आंखों में इशारा हो गया और बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया। 22-23 सचिन सिंह 1.8 do or die पॉइंट
Wow.
प्रति मैच युवा योद्धास की तरफ से।
Raider out.
Wow.
Super tackle. 2
Another
points.
super tackle for the
Jaipur
Cubs.
Pink Cubs.
Second one in the second half. Dipanshu Khatri is my trip super tackle. So that extends the lead. Yeah, Jatin was not jumping the right way, Navneet. That's a problem.
Substitutions. Jaipur Pink Cubs.
And,
Jason number 4 out. 11 in.
Do or die.
And Anil comes in as the last man. He's just revived, or rather, he's just substituted in. And it's a do or die raid. Ravi Bhati will give him the bonus. And he should have just given him the bonus. Come on, Ravi Bhati.
Bonus
He
plus 1
asked
point.
Sonu
Jaipur
Rati
Pink
to come
Cubs.
back.
Jason
He
number
says,
40
guys,
out.
don't come in. But I don't know what went into his head. He went in for the ankle hold and just give away a point. And Anil, India won star moment of the match because he saved the Cubs from the all-out. Oh, this is
Match.
not right. Navneet, this is not right. 2 Raiders against Shivam Singh. No, 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 no. What are the Cubs thinking? Parvinder Bhura and Anil Singh can't stop him. Come on. It is definitely not right. Shivam Singh will fancy his chances. No, he's just fancied himself too much. I think Raider went into the lobby, is it? Raider went into the lobby first
Super
up.
tackle.
Shivam Singh fancied
2
his
points.
chances too much.
Jaipur
It's
Pink
not
Cubs.
a super tackle for Parvinder Bhura. Yes, it is. He's my trip super tackle. But it is not Parvinder Bhura. It is Shivam Singh going into the lobby. Watch this. No hand touch.
Substitutions.
Enters the
Jason
lobby
number 10 out.
before even
Sorry.
Parvinder Bhura touches him. No, it cannot be India one-star moment because it is the error
Time out.
from the
Yuva
Raider.
Yodhas.
Oh, Lord has done. And no bonus here for Anil Singh. I think he should kill the clock, Navneet. He should just kill the clock. He should just stand there because it's a big lead of 5 points. And he should just kill the clock. I think our team is probably getting ready with that startling number. I don't think we should give that number out, Navneet, because both teams score almost the equal number of points.
26-32 6 मिनट से कम का खेल 4 का घर जतिन सिंह और कुछ नंबर्स के हमें है इंतजार लेकिन इंतजार यहाँ पे सारे के सारे गुच्छे में कूद पड़े रेडर की तरफ।
Successful. Raider out 1 point. Jaipur Pink Cubs. Your Yodhas, your review is over, no more reviews.
Oh, I think Yogesh Redu is safe because there was a touch first on him. So that end.
हमला करना था। दोनों राडो बाहर गए हैं।
Bonus plus
अंदर
1
आए हैं।
point. Yuva Yodhas.
Wow, this
Jason
is a
number
good
33
raid,
out.
Navneet. Really good raid. Sushant Singh, last man standing. Singh will be going in with the Ravi Bhati, Sonu Rati. The Rati Bhati combo is there. And Shivam Singh is there. In a do-or-die raid, super tackle coming in. This is a big turning point. If Ravi Bhati can hold on to his nerves, and if Sonu Rati can block Anil, then the Yuva Yodhas can come in a little closer. It'll be 32 if they get this super tackle. Ravi Bhati holds his nerves. Sonu comes in with
Raider out.
the block
Super tackle,
in a do-or-die
2
raid.
points, Yuva
He's
Yodhas.
my trip super tackle. So it's only 32 now. And
Timeout. Jaipur Pink Cubs.
right time for the timeout. Let's listen to the Yodhas coach. But then the player said, no, we want to try. We want to try and do something. Shivam Singh went in for a big raid and he's been tackled out. Yeah,
Raider
karo
out.
ya maro.
1
That's what
point.
it is.
Jaipur
The
Pink
last
Cubs.
raid of the match and one defender will go against him, Navneet. Dipanshu Khatri will sacrifice himself. And that's it. It's all over.
1
33
point.
for the
Yuva
Yuva Yodhas.
Yodhas.
And the
Just
Jaipur
remember the
Pink Cubs have won the tabletop clash. It is that team from Pool A who have been relentless.
That's over.
And the Cubs once again have played it big time.
टैकल टीम जयपुर पिंक कब्स और युवा योद्धा 1 अनिल हमेशा